Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to format your SD card on your Motorola phone. So you can see I have this SD card plugged in here, and I want to go ahead and use it and format it. So let's swipe on down from the top right, and then go to Settings. Select this. Now we want to locate storage, and your version of Android is going to probably look a little bit different. I believe this is like Android 13, and we're on 15 and 16 now. So go on down to Storage right here. Then at the top of storage, you can see this device. Simply go on over from this device to SD card. Now, the top right, you got these three little dots. Go to Format and click this. And it says Format SD card for portable storage. Now, you can format it right here, and then you can start storing information on it. So you can see I have 20 gigabytes used. So you might want to go ahead and format it if you just plugged it in, because there could be some other things on here that is taking up space for some reason. And even if you got a new one. And then we can go over to the gallery application and we can transfer photos. So let's go to gallery. And then if you don't have gallery, go over to the Google Play Store and just simply type in gallery and you can move it on over here. So let's go on down to the picture or the album or the folder we want to go ahead and copy. So let's go to this one. Let's go to this photo, go to the top of the three lines and go to move to folder. Allow gallery to modify this photo. Let's go to allow. Then go to create new folder right here, and it's going to ask you to create a folder on the SD card. So let's go to the SD card and type in a name for this, SD card 2. And then go to create. And it's going to move the pictures to that specific folder that you created. So you can see I have an SD card 1, and then I have SD card 2. And there's going to be this little symbol right next to it, right here. And that's going to be your SD card. So you can see it right there too. Very easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.